Hi guys, this is Chris.McAndrews here at Guaranty again. Thank you for clicking the link. I'm going to go over the Forest River Cardinal Explorer 378LF. Go ahead and follow me inside. Alright, once we get inside here, this is the living area. You have a full entertainment system with a fireplace. Very large amount of pantry space, which is pretty uncommon in these units. Over here you have a full couch that folds out into a bed. Dual recliners, and the nice thing about these is it's facing your entertainment system, and then you have your kitchen table here, which is extendable, and then the full piece countertops here with dual sinks. And then around here on this side you have your Furrion oven and a 3-burner cooktop and the Magic Chef microwave. And then the nice thing about these also is you have double door fridges with a very large amount of space. And then inside here you have a bunk room set up. Nice thing about the bunk room is it doubles as a nice entertainment area. You have the bunk up here, a couch, and then the available space for an entertainment system, coat hooks, and a substantial amount of storage. We'll go on up here to the bedroom. And then up this direction, you see here you have a ladder for a very nice sized loft. And then inside here you have the restroom. Good amount of space with a walk-in shower. And then the very large master bedroom. Again, a large amount of space here for storage. Good sized closets with sliding doors, hanger hooks, and a washer dryer hookup. And then over here, another set of shelves for quite a bit more storage. And then opposite this direction, you have another really large closet. Under here you have your storage with magnetic holds. As you can see, a very large amount of underneath storage. And then here's your propane tank. And then under here, another really large bin for storage. Back around this side, you have your opposite side propane tank, your auto level controls. And then again, your storage with all of your water and pump controls here. And follow me around the back. And then back here you have your access ladder for the roof. And then the nice thing about these is you have a rack back here that will fold down for another good amount of storage space. Again guys, thank you very much for clicking the link. My name is Chris.McAndrews, and this is the Forest River Cardinal Explorer 378LF. If you have any questions or would like to take a look at it, go ahead and give me a call or shoot me a text, 541-731-8583. Thank you.